Step into the 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are traction control, stability control, 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, aluminum wheels, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, automatic headlights and daytime running lights. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.